Oh, hello, hello. How are you? This is Els coming from Amos Crafty Corner. And I apologize for the delay in getting this video posted, but this is what is left of the sale. And today is Friday. So you have until Monday, let's say Monday, yeah? November 27th? 28th. November 28th to purchase anything that's here. Just send me an instant message or an email. This is a vintage musical score. It is 14 by 11, just under that. And the date on this one is God only knows. But it's really old. And it's called In Twilight. And this is item number 315. This is a set of lace, a ribbon, and it's $2, so we'll let's make this one $2,100. Because I don't know the number. $2,100 on that one for $2. This is item 24. There are 2 of them left. These are 5 packs of miniature fans. They're brown on one side, white on the other. That is item 24. This is item 253. So remember, it's the price and the item number. So this is a $2 item. The number is 53. And this is a teenage pack. There's 2 full packs of stickers in there. Some purple dip dyed envelopes, a bag of little goodies and things, and then 6x6 paper miniature set 253. This is 210. It is a canvas bag of Miss Olive Oil. And let's see. It is, the bag itself is about 13 by 10 and a half. That is item 210. This one is item 39. It is missing 1 roll right here, but this is a washi tape. You can fit 2 rolls of washi tape on each of the spindles, unless you have really wide washi tape, and you can put some extras in the center there. And this is from We Are Memory Keepers. The number on this one is 39. Please remember the shipping on this would be it's going to be a little on the expensive side. This is a heavy piece, okay? And this is item 519. 519. This is a red pearl hand beaded rosary. So every link here is hand beaded, and then it's all tied together here at the bottom. And it has all of the stations. And that is item 519. Item 115 is this Baby Girls Clear Cuts. That's what's in there. And I believe there's two of each piece. Item 124 is these Me and My Big Ideas. It says Baby Girl Rub-On, but when you turn it over, it's got Proud Daddy, Baby Boy, Sweet Dreams, New Baby. So it's double-sided. This is item 16. It is 2002, and it is 6 by 8, and it's just a print. And that's item 16. 19 is this set of 3 cards with envelopes. They have the little security tab to close them. They are blank on the inside. That is item 19. Item 127, there's 3 of these available. Again, these are stickers, baby stickers. What else? Okay. Number 155, number 149. These are EK Success, collectible paper dolls. This is Slam Duncan. He's a basketball player. And so you get different colored shirts, different colored shorts, shoes, socks, all that kind of stuff. And this is Little League Larry. He comes with grass and two different colored pants and the whole 9 yards. So that's his. And let's see what else we got. This is item 1, 2, and it is 3, 6, 9, 10. Assorted Las Vegas wine corks. Okay. This is item 121. It's a pocket with 10 little tabs in it. Everything I love about, and this one says baby girl, but these can be easily altered. And 112 is this little slider. The piece slides up and down on it. That is 112. 131 is the C-Bar. 134 is Down by the Beach. These are coasters. 137, Summer Bucket List. There's 4 coasters in each pack. And number 140, which is, I think this one is Mermaid's Drink for free. Those are those numbers. Number 119. 119A is a unicorn. 119B is the dinosaur. These are note cards with envelopes. Number 186 is this set of stickers. The stickers are actually called Love Conquers All. And free to love, unique doesn't mean freak. Different to me is perfect. So those are 186. 168 is this set of, I think there's 4 in there. Could be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to say 4 tags. Handmade. 174 is this creative year. It's a notepad, goes in your planners. 192 is this puffy sticker for Rhode Island. 130 is sheet vinyl. This is 12 by 12 inch sheet vinyl from the Paper Studio. There are 4 pieces of that left. That is 130. $3.4 is this fat quarter of fabric. It's like a very light seafoam green color with purple and pink flowers. $2.30 is this box. These are milk carton boxes with ribbon closures, and they are Bumblebee. That is $2.30. $3.10 is this weekly planner. It is a traveler's notebook style. The cover is batted and hand stitched. Okay, this is P22. This is going to be a $1 item. It is P as in Paul 22. It's just 6x6 paper, single-sided. P21 is quite a large pack of cardstock, mixed cardstock. Some is double-sided, some is single-sided. P14 is the Happy Birthday in green. P11 is Friends in green. P12 is Happy Birthday in pink. P2 is this set of pinks and purples. P6 is Baby Girl in pink. Stay, sit, Ubu. P7 is basically little girl paper, P7. And then P8 is the baby boy. And that's it. That's all I have left. So, if you're interested in any of these items, please use the number. Send me an email or an instant message, and I will either add it to your existing total if you haven't paid yet, or I will get it all packed up for you and give you a total of what it's going to be. That's it. That's all I have. Thank you so much. Until the next time, stay well. Bye-bye.